Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to see fractions and decimals of class 7 chapter 2 exercise number 2.5. Which is greater? In decimals we are going to compare which is greater. See 0.5 compared with 0.05. While comparing decimals we need to see the decimal places. If the whole number is there, we need to see the whole number. After that, we need to give priority for the decimal places also. See, in the decimal place, this is the 10th place. See, whole number ones, tens, hundred. Decimal point, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. That means this is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Like that it will go. Here 1, 10, hundreds, like that numbers will go. So 0.5 compared with 0.05. See the 10th place? 10th place number is there. Here in the 10th place 0 is there. So which is greater? This number in the 10th place is greater. So 0.5 is greater than 0.05. 0.7 compared with 0.5. 10th in the 10th place 7 is there. Which number is greater? 7 is greater than 5. So this is the greater decimal. 7 compared with 0.7. 7 is the whole number. In this decimal number there is no whole number part. See, it is 0. So now compare 7 and 0. 7 is bigger. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Now 1.37 compared with 1.49. See, whole number is same, 1, 1. So we need to move our priority to the decimal number. So in the decimal place, tenths place is 3 here. Here tenths place is 4. So this is greater. So 1.37 is less than 1.49. Now 2.03 compared with 2.30. See the whole number? Whole number place is 2. Both are 2. So we no need to consider. Now come to the 10th place. 0, here 3. So 0 is smaller than this 3, 10th place. So 0 is less than. So 2.03 is less than 2.30. Now 0.8, 0.88. 0.00 whole number place, no need to worry, same only, so leave it. So in the 10th place it is same again. See, 8, 10th place. Now come to the hundredths place. There is no number here, means we need to think it is 0. Anyways it won't have any value if 0 is present in the right extreme. So 0 in the 100th place, 8 in the hundredths place. So this is again lesser value. So 0.8 is less than 0.88. Now expresses rupees using decimals. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. We know that. We need to do conversion for this. So we are going to convert paise into rupee. So 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. This 100 we can write like this, right? 100 into 1 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Just 100 I am going to write it as 100 into 1. Now as the formula we know, right? A into B is equal to C. B is equal to C by A. So think this 100 as A, 1 paise as B and 1 rupee as C. If you want to know the value of 1 paise in rupee, this 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. 1 paise is equal to, see, 1 divided by 100. If you have zeros in the denominator, in the numerator point will go in the towards left. So 1 digit, 2 digit, we are putting point here. If you have seen the video of decimals in our channel, we have explained it very well. How to divide a whole number by tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. Now, how to convert 7 paise as a rupee? See here, 7 paise. 1 paise is equal to 0.01 rupee. Now 7 paise means 7 into 1 paise, that's all. 7 into 1 paise is equal to, just to multiply 7 both sides, that will give you the rupee value. 7 into 0.01 rupee. So 7 into 1 gives us 7 paise. This is equal to, if we multiply 1 into 7 is 7. Now we need to count the decimal numbers, number of decimal numbers, 1, 2. So we need to leave 2 digits in the right hand side, 1, 2. We need to place our point here. See here, 0.07 rupee. 7 paise is equal to 0.07 rupee. How to convert 7 rupees 7 paise? Now we are going to convert this. 7 rupees 7 paise. 7 into 1 paise is equal to same thing. 7 paise is equal to 0.07 rupee. So already 7 rupees is there. 7 rupees, that means 7 rupees plus 7 paise. Now we have converted this into rupees. This 7 paise. What is the rupee? 0.07 rupee. If we add these two, how to add? 7 whole number only, right? 7 only, no decimal part, so 0.00. This is 0.07. if we add these two, 7.07. so 7.07 rupee. This is the conversion. Now 77 rupees 77 paise. 1 paise equal to 0.01 rupee. So multiply both sides with 77. We will get 77 paise. 77 into 1 paise is 77 paise. 77 into 0.01. So just to multiply 77 into 1, what we will get? 77. We need to see the decimal numbers after point 1, 2. So we need to leave 2 digits in the decimal places. So 1, 2. We need to place our point here. Now we need to add 77 rupee plus 0.77 rupee. Now this paise has changed into rupee. This is equal to 77 0.77. We are adding, what we will get? 77.77 rupees. Now 50 paise is equal to what? 1 paise 0.01 rupee. So 50, multiply both sides with 50, we will get 50 paise as rupee. 50 into 1 paise is 50 paise is equal to, see here, 50 into 1 is 50. Now we need to leave 2 decimal places in the decimal part. So 1, 2. Point will come here. So this is nothing but 0.5 rupee. No need to consider zeros in the extreme right. Always leave it 0.5 alone. So 50 paise is equal to 0.5 rupee. Now 235 paise. How to do this 235 paise? 1 paise is equal to 0.01 rupee. So multiply both sides with the 235. We will get 235 paise's value in rupee. 235 into 1 is 235 paise. This is equal to 235 into 1 gives us 235. Now count the decimal places 1, 2. We need to leave 2 decimal places and we have to plot our point 1, 2. So we need to put our point here. So this is equal to 2 rupees 35, 2.35 rupee. Third question, express 5 centimeter in meters and kilometer. See here, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now, this 100 can be written as 100 into 1. Nothing will change, right? 100 into 1. Instead of 100, I am writing 100 into 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now, what is 1 centimeter value as meter? 1 divided by 100 meter. This is equal to, see here, this is A, B, C. If we want B, we need to do C by A. So C by A, 1 by 100 meter. How to give it in decimal? We need to put our numerator as it is. Count the zeros in the denominator, 2. We need to leave 2 numbers in the right hand side. So 1 and we need to give another number 1, 2. We need to put our point here. So 0.01 meter, 1 centimeter is equal to. Now the question is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter means 5 into 1 centimeter is equal to 5 into 0.01 meter. 5 into 1 is 5 centimeter. This is equal to 5 into 1 is 5. We need to count the decimal places. Here it is 2. So 1, 2. So this is 5 centimeter. This 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. Now they are asking it in kilometer also. We are going to find in kilometer. 5 centimeter in kilometer. How to do? See here. 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer, right? So this 1000 can be written as 1000 into 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to, in the kilometer form, this 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. See, A, B and C. This is A and this 1 meter is B, C. If you want B, C by A. So this is equal to 1. How many zeros in the denominator? 3. So we need to leave 3 places in the decimal part. 1, 2, 3 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 0.01 kilometer. Now we want, see, 1 meter is equal to 0.01 kilometer, right? Now we want 0.05 meter because 5 centimeter is 0.05 meter. We are going to convert this centimeter, 5 centimeter in meters. So for that what we need to do? Multiply 0. In this 1 meter, 0.05 into 1 meter is equal to 0.05 into 0.001 kilometer. So this is nothing but 0.05 meter is equal to, see here, 0.05. Again I will write because it is not proper. So 0.01 kilometer. We are going to multiply the thing here. See, just to multiply the numbers. 5 and 1 is 5. Now we need to count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to leave 5 places, decimal places after point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.0 kilometer. So 0.05 meter. This is nothing but 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 0.00005 kilometer. Similarly, 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. So we have expressed this 5 centimeter in meters and kilometers also. Express 35 mm in centimeter, meter and kilometer. See, mm. 10 mm makes 1 centimeter, right? In the scale, if you see between 2 centimeters, 10 small lines will be there. That is called mm. So 10 mm makes 1 centimeter. So for 1 mm, how to find it? 10 into 1 mm is equal to same way 1 centimeter. So this is A, B and C. We want 1 mm. This is equal to C by A. So 1 divided by 10 centimeter. So 1 mm is equal to 0.1 centimeter. This is millimeter conversion of into centimeter. Now 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, right? So 1 centimeter is equal to, directly we can do, see 1 centimeter is equal to, this 100 will come in the down, that's all. 1 by 100 meter. This is equal to 0.01 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to. This is the conversion. Now, thousand meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Correct? So this is the conversion of meter into kilometer. Now we are going to find 35 mm in all these things. So 1 mm equal to 0.1 centimeter. See here 1 mm. Now we want 35 mm. Just multiply 35 mm both sides. 35 into 1 mm equal to 35 into 0.1 centimeter. So 35 mm equal to, just multiply 35 and 1, 3, 5. Count the decimal part, only 1 decimal digit. So we need to leave 1 digits in the right hand side, 3.5 centimeter. So we have expressed 35 mm in centimeter. Now we want it in meter. What is the meter conversion from centimeter to meter? 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. But 35 mm is 3.5 centimeter. Now we are going to take this. So multiply 3.5 both sides into 1 centimeter is equal to 3.5 into 0.01 meter. This is 3.5 centimeter. This is nothing but this only. 35 mm equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is equal to, just ignore the decimals and multiply with 1. 35 into 1 is 35. Now count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So we need to leave 3 places. 1, 2, 3. If there is no number means we can put 1 0 here. We have to do 0 meter. So we have expressed 35 mm in meter also. Now we want this 35 mm in kilometer also. So what is the conversion of meter into kilometer? Now we are going to convert 35 mm in kilometers. Same thing. See here, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. This is nothing but 0.001 kilometer. Now using this, we are going to multiply both the sides by 0.035 meter. 0.035 into 1 meter is equal to 0.035 into 0.001 kilometer. These are all same, right? 35 mm is equal to 3.5 centimeter is equal to 0.035 m. See, 0.035 into 1 meter is equal to 0.035 meter only. Now how to multiply this? just multiply the numbers alone. 35 into 1 is 35. Count the decimal points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 decimal numbers are there. So we need to leave 6 decimal places in the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.0. So this is our conversion. 35 mm is converted into 3.5 centimeter. This centimeter is converted into 0.035 meter. Again, it is converted into 0.000035 kilometer. Fourth question, express in kg. Like millimeter into centimeter, meter and kilometer conversion, we are going to convert gram into kilogram now. How to do? 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So, how to do our conversion? 1000 into 1 gram is equal to 1 kg. So, this 1 gram is equal to 1 by, this 1000 will come here, 1000 kg. This is equal to 1. Need to count the zeros in the denominator. As many digits we need to leave in the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 0. So, 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg. Now 200 grams. So multiply by 2 both sides. 200 gram is equal to 200 into 1 gram. See here, this 1 gram into 200. This is equal to 200 into this 0.001 kg. 200 gram is equal to 0.200 kg is equal to 0.2 kg. See, there is no need to show the zeros in the right extreme in the decimal places. 3470 gram. How to do this? See, 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg. This is our formula. So now 3470 into 1 gram. That means multiply by 3470 on both the sides. 3470 into 0.01001 kg. Okay. Both the sides we are multiplying with the same number because the question is this one. This is 3470 gram. This is equal to, just to multiply with the 1, this full number, 3470. So now count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. We need to plot our point after 3, leaving 3 digits in the right hand side. 1, 2, 3 kg. This is equal to 3.47 kg. Now 4 kg 8 grams. How to do this? See, already 4 kg is there. So 4 kg plus 8 grams. This is equal to 4 kg plus conversion for this alone. This is already in kg, so no need to worry about it. Just 8 grams. How to do this? 1 gram equal to 0.001 kg. So just multiply this with 8, both the sides. So 8 into 1 gram is equal to 8 into 0.001 kg. So 8 gram is equal to 8. Count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So we need to leave 3 places here. So 1, 2, 3 kg. Point is here. Okay. So instead of 8 gram, we can write 0.008 kg. If we add this to 4 kg 4, 000, because this is the whole number. No decimal places here. So for the decimal places, we just give zeros. Here 0.008. If we add these two, what we will get? 4. This is equal to 4.008 kgs. Write the expanded form. So 20.03. So this is place value. Okay. So 20 plus, there is no unit value, 0 only. 10th place is 0. And hundredths place is 3 by 100. This is the expanded form for the given number. Now 2.03. Here only units place. So 2 plus 10th place is 0. 3 by 100. Hundredths place is 3. See, after this we can write like this. This 20 plus 3 by 100. No need to show these zeros. This is 2 plus 3 by 100. Now see here, 200. 200. This is hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 200. No tens place. No ones place. All are 0. Plus decimal place. 10th place is 0. Hundredths place is 3 by 100. So this is equal to 200 plus 3 by 100. Now 2.034. Only units place is there. So 2 plus no 10th place 0. Hundredths place is 3 by 100. Thousandth place is 4 divided by 1000. This is equal to 2 plus 3 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Sixth question. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. First subdivision, 2.56. It is in the whole part. So in the whole part it is ones, right? Ones place. So 2 is the place value. In the second subdivision, 21.37. It is also, now also it is in whole part. Ones, tens. So 20. 20 is the place value. If it is in tens means 2 into 10 is 20, right? 2 into 10. Tens place. Now, third subdivision, 10.25. Now 2 is in decimal part. So decimal part, it is in 10th place. Tenth place. 2 divided by 10 is the place value of 2 here. 9.42. Tens, hundreds. So it is in hundreds place. 2 divided by 100 is the place value here. 63.352. 2 is here. So tens, hundreds, thousands place after decimal. So 2 divided by 1000. This is the place value of 2. Seventh question. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who travelled more and by how much? Dinesh travels from A to B. A to B is 7.5 km. From B to C, it is 12.7 km. So distance covered, if we add these two, we will get our distance. See, 7.5 added with 12.7. See, whole numbers should be added with the whole number and decimal numbers should be added with the decimal numbers. Now, if we add 7 plus 5 gives us 12. So this one will come here 8, 9, 10. This one will come here 2. 20.2 kilometer. Now, Ayub travels from A to D. A to D is 9.3 kilometer. and D to C. D to C is 11.8 kilometer. So this is 11.8 kilometer. Now we are going to add these two. 9.3, 11.8. So if we add this two, this is 8 plus 3 is 11. 10, 11. Again 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So 2. 21.1 kilometer. See the Dinesh distance and Ayub traveled distance. Which is bigger? 20.2 compared with 21.1 kilometer. See, in the whole number itself, we can easily tell this 21 is bigger. This is 20. So 20.2 kilometer is less than 21.1 kilometer. That means Dinesh traveled less distance. Who covered more is the question. So Ayub covered more distance. Ayub covered more distance than Dinesh. 8th question. Shyama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarala bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Total kgs of fruit Shyama bought. So we are going to add apple kgs and mangoes. See here, this is total kgs. 5 plus 3 is 8 kg. So now come to grams. 300 plus 250 gram. 300 plus 250 gram gives us 550 grams. So 550 grams. Now total kgs of fruits Sarala bought. 4 kg plus 4 kg is 8 kg. Grams 800 plus 150 is equal to 059. So 950 grams. 8 kg 550 and 8 kg 950 gram. Who bought more in both? Obviously Sarala bought more. Sarala bought more fruits. 9th question. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? How much is less? If we see words like less, we need to subtract. So 42.6 kilometer minus 28 kilometer. So 42.6, 28.0, subtraction. That means whole number should come in the whole number place only. Decimal numbers will occur in the decimal places. So if there is no decimal places means just put 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. So from here it will be 12, it will be 3. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. This is equal to 14.6 kilometer. This much, this 28 kilometer is lesser than 42.6 kilometer. That's all. Thank you.